Hi guys, welcome back to U-Review. Today we're looking at a Marcopolo Scania K113. So we're gonna go ahead and start it up and go and have a look at the exterior of the vehicle. Marcopolo is a Brazilian bus and coach manufacturer that was founded in 1949 on August the 6th. The company has 4 plants in Brazil, as well as Argentina, Australia, Colombia, India, Mexico and South Africa. The Portugal plant closed down in September of 2009. Powerful engine, still sounds fantastic. It looks good as well, very well maintained. Marker lights on the sides around the length of the vehicle, and then we've got a tag axle. And of course, luggage space on the sides accessible via the doors. Familiar Marcopolo badge in the center of the bus, or the center of where the bonnet would be. Enough lights for the long road. The air is right now, so we can close the door. It will not work if there is no air. So we'll turn off the hazard lights and the headlights as well. Driver's side wiper. Power steering with the horn button in the center. Indicators or turning signals. Air brakes. Passenger side wiper. Alright, so kill switch, I'm gonna turn it off. That's what the cockpit looks like from above. Onto the rest of the vehicle. Finished in a beautiful blue and red accenting on the sides and the roof. All 2s and 2s, very comfortable. All seats are recliners. PA system. Lockable storage for driver or hostess to use. Passenger speakers. And each individual seat gets a little one of these to control music or TV or videos. So you can plug your headphones into it and listen to your music in private. Manufacturer logo on the lower back part of the seats. Emergency exit sunroof. Some more storage for the driver and another emergency exit roof. The seats are extremely comfortable. Note that all seats have seat belts as well. Beautiful interior. Maximum speed 120, however 100 in South Africa, with Marcopolo badge and VRDL. Series name Scania 113 engine with a clock above that. This would be the driver's view. So guys, this has been our look at the Marcopolo Scania K113. Once again, thank you very much for joining us here on your review. We hope to see you again. If you'd like to see more of these heavy-duty vehicles, please comment below and I'll be sure to go and film them for you. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for joining your review.